joining us here this evening at Punanui Nights, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation. We hail from the windward side of the island, from a small town called Kaneohe. We are Halau Kalikopua o Kalaniakea. We come from the tradition of Aloha Deliri, my mother, and the original mothership of Keola Laulani Halau Olaka Olaka. Myself, along with my two sisters, Kau'i and Keola, carry the responsibility or the kuleana of continuing the legacy that my mother has left behind to us. And in the line today, you have 3 of my daughters as well, continuing to learn and study hula and the traditions of our Hawaiian culture. So we have a mission here in our halau to share and perpetuate hula and the art form of our dance that is so very special and so very important to our Hawaiian culture. Many of the young keiki you saw just a second ago come from mothers who are still currently dancing in the halau and will be showcasing their talents in a few weeks at the annual Merry Monarch Hula Festival on the island of Hawaii. So, mahalo. So we are very honored to be able to share our mele and our stories with all of you. We'd like to thank everyone for allowing us to be here, and we hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. We're going to do for you 2 last numbers, taking you to our side of the island, our hometown of Kaneohe. And again, from all of us to all of you, we say mahalo nui loa. Thank you very much for being here. He vai vai nui ka pono na kupuna e. He vai hanai no na oha e. Ola ke kalo i ka vai e. U ali ali i ka vai ole. Ola ka ha, ola ka vai. Ola ka i. E ola no e nā pali e ho mai ka vai e nu ka kou e nā ki lani e nā ki honua e ho o manuhia ka vai ka puo ka lani e Mama, Once again, we say mahalo hanui loa. Thank you for having us. Enjoy the rest of your evening. From all of us to all of you, mahalo and aloha.
Hello, Kalipoku o Kalania Kia. Oh yeah, no, mahalo. We wish them all the best and be careful to Hilo Hawaii for the Marijuana Festival. One more time, big round of applause everybody for that wonderful performance.